Do you want to see AttaPoll payment proof so you know that it actually does pay before you start taking service inside this app? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and a little while ago I published a full AttaPoll review and tutorial, and I promised to also record another video where I show payment proof. So in this video I will show you how to withdraw from AttaPoll and show you the payment proof. So before I log into the app and show you how to withdraw, let's just make it clear that this is not a full tutorial. As already mentioned, I just recently published a full video tutorial. I will leave a link in the top corner. So if you want to see how to earn and all the options it has, then check that out instead. This is just a video where I will show you how to withdraw, and I will show you payment proof so you can see that it actually does pay. We will then also talk a little bit about whether it's actually then worth it or not, because one thing is that it pays, another thing is if it's worth your time. But let me now log into the app and then you can see how you can get paid. So I have now logged into the AttaPoll app, and you can see I'm in the balance section there, and these are my earnings right now. This is the equivalent of around like $10, $11 or so. So the payout threshold depends on the country you live in. In my country, it was around $4 or so I have definitely achieved that, but I wanted to wait till I show you when I record so you can see for yourself how it works. We will also, as mentioned, talk about whether it's then worth it or not. But let's see here. These are the payout options where I live. This again can vary a little bit from country to country, but I do like that they do offer PayPal. You can see that is the option there. So I want to use that, so I'll just click PayPal. And then all I need to do here is to then write in my PayPal email address. So I'll just do that, and I will of course blur it out. And then after that, I will request payment. So I now have my email here, and then I just will click to request payment. And you see, just ask, are you sure? You cannot change this once you've processed it. So I'll just say yes or okay here. So you see, that is it now. It is just pending, it says there. And let's see how fast it then goes to actually get it. So literally the same second as I said what I said before, that we'll see how long it takes, I received an email notification from PayPal. You can see I have received from AttaPoll this amount of money, which is equivalent of around $10, $11. You can see it says my name. Of course, I blurred out my last name and the transaction ID and things like this. But as you can see, it basically pays instantly. Once you reach the low payout threshold, it pays instantly. And this is definitely really great. But let's talk a little bit more about if it's then worth it, because getting paid fast is great, but how long does it take? Is it worth it? All that. Let's talk a little bit more about that. So as you can see, AttaPoll actually does pay, and I love how fast it pays, but I must say still it's not one of my favorite survey apps. I know a lot of viewers on my channel here actually do like it, and I think it definitely has some great things going. It offers a decent number of paid service, as I also showed in my full review. There are some things about the transparency, about certain aspects of it I do not really like, some things that doesn't really make sense, as I explained in my full tutorial. And of course, as it is with all survey apps, sometimes it can take patience to find the service you qualify for. The pay for the service is decent compared to other survey apps. So overall, I would say that what kind of sets it a little bit apart is how fast you get paid. You get paid instantly. You could see I clicked a button, and seconds after, the money were inside my account, and the payout threshold is quite low, so it is easy to reach. That's definitely some great aspects of it. But I will still say it's not one of my absolute top paid survey apps. So I will still recommend that you make sure to also use other survey apps, but as an extra survey app, it definitely is great because it has some really great aspects to it, especially this very fast payout processing. And since many people asked me to show exactly how to withdraw, how fast it goes and all that, I wanted to record this updated video, and I am impressed with how fast it pays. That is definitely the biggest plus of AttaPoll in my opinion. I will leave a link below to the full tutorial and video so you can read more about it. I will also leave a link to a list I have of my top recommended survey apps if you want to join other options as well to earn more. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.